gorgeous! I hope you're having a beautiful day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. I usually do makeup reviews and tutorials and just lifestyle videos. This video, as you see, I'm not wearing any makeup except the brow product. By the way, my brows might be looking a little bit dark today because I recently changed my hair color. I went blonder, so my roots are done. Therefore, my brows looks a bit darker than normally, but after we're gonna have a full face of makeup, it's gonna blend in, I promise you. So this video, I'm gonna be creating a super easy eyeshadow look, perfect for hooded eyes, because I do have hooded eyes, so all the makeup looks like great, perfect for hooded eyes. So basically what happened, why I decided to film this tutorial, because I posted this video on my Instagram and so many of you asked if I filmed the video for this makeup look. I didn't, that was just my very quick morning makeup look that I just went with the flow and done. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna film a tutorial for that. As I said, this is gonna be super easy, super simple. Let's go. I'm gonna start from prepping the eyes, not gonna do anything difficult or anything. Just concealer, setting powder to set it, that's all. I always do that. If you want more in-depth video about it, let me know in the comments down below. I can do that. The eyeshadow palette that I decided to use today is the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, but all we need is basically the yellow, like warm yellow shade and the orangey shade. So basically you could use any other eyeshadow palette that has that. So for example, this Revolution and Tammy palette has the same shades as well, so you could use, you know, yellow and orange and would be exactly the same look. Can you tell I really like yellow orange colors because it's always hitting a pan first. Then aside from the orangey shade, I'm gonna go in the C shape. This is how I call it. This is the look that is so good for hooded eyes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go outer corner in like a letter C and then blend through the crease, so higher where your creases. See, I'm packing that color outer corner and then kind of going to a C shape, blending what's left through the crease. I'm not going straight away on the crease with this shade. I'm going close to a lash line, outer corner, and then what's left into a C shape. What's left on the brush, I'm going close to a lash line. Not adding more product or anything, just blending. Next thing I'm doing, I'm going with this yellow shade. Basically what I'm doing, I'm going on the part where we still don't have any eyeshadow. So inner eye corner and move the lid till middle kinda ish. And then we're gonna reach this orangey part, which is gonna blend both shades together. So what I'm doing next, I'm taking the same brush that I had this orange shade on and just kind of blend these two shades together where they meet. So there's no like obvious line or something like that. So I'm taking the eyeliner and just gonna go with like a usual cat eye eyeliner look. You can go big or you can go small, whatever you feel like. But I'm recreating my look that I inserted the picture before, so I'm gonna go for similar. For mascara, I'm gonna go with Makeup Revolution 5D Lash Mascara, and I'm gonna use the mascara shield because my eyes are so hooded. If I wouldn't do that, and my lashes now are so long, all the mascara will end up on this eyeshadow that we just did. So, yeah, it's a shame. Okay, so mascara is on. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna quickly jump in and do my face, and then we can finish the lower lash line. Alright, so lower lash line, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come back and take this yellow shade and go all over lower lash line, and then for the waterline I'm gonna go with NYX of Tropics Pro Liner in Mimosa Orange. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner. So today I used the Revolution Glass Eyes Illuminator. Okay, a bit of mascara and we're done. As I said, it's super easy makeup look. I'm using the same mascara as I used before. Okay, and our makeup look is complete. What you guys think? So yeah, what do you guys think of this makeup look? As I said, super easy to create. Literally takes 5 minutes. We use 2 colors only, which I don't really ever do. I usually go for more color, mix and blend. This was super easy as we were not blending much. Like, I applied the yellow shade and then kind of just buffed into this orange, and that's it. The eyeliner part, you can go as big or as small as you wish, or you can totally skip that. I didn't go with the falsies, as I said, because my lashes look so super long now. I'm gonna link below if you want to know what I'm using for my lashes, but it grows so long, like it's crazy. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you found this helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, more tutorials or more reviews or mix of both. I'm thinking actually next video to do one makeup tutorial. I was thinking Makeup Revolution, as I have so many things from Makeup Revolution, or maybe do a video of my favorite Makeup Revolution makeup, because I spoke about this on my Instagram stories and I had so many of you DMing me asking what's my favorite Makeup Revolution product. So maybe a video of favorite Makeup Revolution products would be helpful. What you think? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Have an amazing day and I shall see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Ciao for now, guys.